Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building a steam locomotive here, and we're going to be building the New York Central Commodore Vanderbilt locomotive. And this is a passenger locomotive with a streamlined shroud. And this is what it looks like here, and it is a 464, and it was important to me to get the white striping on this one, and I think we were successful. So this is what it looks like, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start off on the bottom of the front, and we're going to take out black concrete. And we're going to put 3 black concrete across the bottom middle, then 1 on either side on top, and a blast furnace in the center. Then on each side of the bottom, a polished blackstone button, and then 2 black stained glass panes in a column on either side of this. Then 3 polished blackstone stairs facing forward on the top middle. Then behind this on bottom, we're going to put 2 upside down polished blackstone stairs on either side facing backwards. Then a black concrete here, and 1 on this side. Then on top of that, we're going to put a forward-facing polished blackstone stair here and here, and 3 black concrete on this middle behind here. So it looks like that. Then we'll do our pilot truck. So we're going to come behind this on bottom, and put a netherite wheel on each rail right behind it with an end rod axle. Then 2 rows of 3 deep slate tile top slabs in the center, and another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then put a skeleton skull on all 4 of these netherite wheels here. Then we're going to take out some netherite blocks on the second layer. And we need to get up underneath here. And we'll go 3 wide under there. And then 4 down the middle like this to the back of the truck. Then on the center of the second layer here, 2 black wool here and 2 black wool here. Then go back to netherite on this second layer in the middle. And we're going to do a line right down the middle, 12 blocks long. So 12 blocks past the back of that front truck. Next, we'll do the driving wheels, and for that, take out deep slate tile blocks. Put 3 here, skip 1 and 3, skip 1 and 3. Then 1 on the top middle of all 3 of these, and 1 block on the bottom middle of all 3 of these, so they're plus shapes. Then we're going to copy the driving wheels exactly over to this other side the same way, so that there's 3 plus shapes. Then the wheels have white rims, so to represent that, we're going to use polished diorite stairs. And we'll come in these corners on each wheel and put an upside down, backward facing polished diorite stair in all these corners. Then turn around and put an upside down forward facing stair on all these corners. Then we'll repeat to round off the top, so polished diorite stairs on all these corners. Then turn around and going this way in all these corners. Then where this middle wheel is, centered on it, 5 netherite right here like that. Then come on bottom behind here and go 3 wide in the middle, right behind this with deep slate tile walls. Then a netherite wheel on each rail. Then 2 rows of 3 deep slate tile walls in the center. Then a netherite wheel on each rail. Then 3 deep slate tile walls. Then we're going to go through and put a skeleton skull on all 4 of these netherite wheels. Then we're going to come up here on the middle and do a line of netherite and come out 1 block behind the back of this, and then a dark oak slab. Put 2 dark oak vent skates under here so it looks like that. Then we're going to come on the side of this netherite, put 4 more netherite here, 4 on this side at the back. Then 4 black concrete here, 4 on this side. On the front of this, we're going to do 2 polished diorite top slabs here, 2 here. Then we'll start on the back with black concrete again. And this time we're going to do a line of 8 black concrete coming forward. Then same thing here, 8 black concrete here coming forward to that same spot. Then underneath this overhang, put 2 iron trapdoors down here to continue that white stripe. And then same thing over here, 2 iron trapdoors underneath here. Then go back to polished diorite slabs again on the front of this black concrete. And we're going to put a line of top slabs coming across. So start on the front of this black concrete here, and we're going to do 9 of them. So it should stop on the center of this front wheel. Repeat on this side, a line of polished deep slate slabs across the top here, right there. Then we'll come up front with black concrete coming off that slab, and we're going to do a line of 5 here, and then 5 black concrete right here. Then under that, we're going to put 5 polished diorite slabs on the bottom of it, down here. And we will repeat over here. So 5 polished diorite slabs under this black concrete right here. Then where this gap on the front is, we're just going to fill that with 2 black concrete above the wheel here. And then same thing on this side, 2 black concrete right here. And then we'll come to the very back on this top middle and put 3 netherite right here. Next, we'll move back up to the front here and take a polished blackstone stair. We're going to put 1 stair forward here, 1 on this side. Then behind this, we're going to do a full line of black concrete down the top outer edge all the way to the back. And same thing here, start on this back edge with black concrete and bring it all the way up to the front behind that polished blackstone stair. So it looks like that. Then we're going to come to the back again. And on the middle back here, starting at the back, we're going to do a 3x4 of netherite for the cab floor. Then on top of each side of the back, 4 black concrete here, 4 here. Then 1 on each back corner and on each front corner an inward facing polished blackstone stair. Then open an oak trapdoor here and 1 going this way here. On top of this, put 4 outward facing polished blackstone stairs up here. Then 4 on this side. Across the back, 5 upside down polished blackstone stairs. Then we'll go ahead and fill in between the stairs here of this cab roof, all with black concrete. Then up here we're going to do a 3x3 of dark oak trapdoors. Then we're going to come down on this outer edge in front of the cab, and we're going to take out iron trapdoors, and we'll start right in front of the cab and just do a line of iron trapdoors all the way forward to get the white stripe. And we'll repeat over here a full line of iron trapdoors on this side as well. Just like that. Now come up front behind these stairs, put 3 black concrete on the middle here, 3 polished blackstone stairs above it. Then we'll put 1 black concrete behind each of these outer stairs to fill in the hole. Then 3 black concrete up here. Then on top of this one, a deep slate tile stair in the middle and an outward facing polished blackstone stair on either side. Then we're going to come down behind this next to the iron trapdoors. And it's going to be hard to see because it's so dark on the video, but we're going to do 2 layers of black concrete starting up front there, 1 block in from this outer edge, and we're going to bring it all the way back until it's right in front of the cab here. And we're going to repeat on this side, 2 rows of black concrete coming across here. And again, bring that back till it's right in front of the cab here. Then we're going to come on top of the front with a polished blackstone stair, put a backward facing stair in the middle here. Then we need a block, 1 block down here with a soul campfire in it. Put a netherite block above that for the funnel. Then on this outer edge, we're going to put 3 outward facing polished blackstone stairs on either side of this, and a backward facing stair in the middle here. Then on this side only, do a polished blackstone stair, a bell going this way, then a full row of outward facing polished blackstone stairs down to the cab. On the other side, start right here and just do a full row of outward facing polished blackstone stairs here. Then up here in the middle, we're going to go to black concrete, and we're going to do 4 with a dark oak trapdoor in the middle here. Then 3 black concrete, polished blackstone slab here. Then 2 black concrete. Down here, it needs to be down 1 block, and then open a bamboo fence gate in this hole. Then behind that, 2 black concrete, skip 1 and 2, and then 1 down in that hole with 4 black candles in it. Then take out a chain, and we're going to come on this level in front of the cab here where this bottom stair is, and we're going to do a full line of chains coming sideways across here. And we're going to bring it all the way up till it's aligned with the front of the locomotive. Right here. And then repeat on this side, start right here on that same level. And do another full line of horizontal chains and bring it all the way up till it's aligned with the front of the locomotive here. Then on here on the front middle, we're going to put a dark oak sign here, and we're going to type new, and on the next line, York Central. Hit that with white dye and a glowing sack. Then up here on the middle, do a glow item frame with a frog light. Then we're going to put a vertical chain here and here, one here and one here, just like that. Now, do 3 stone buttons here, skip 1, 2, skip 1 and 4 to represent the lettering. Then we'll come to this side, and we'll start right here, 3 stone buttons, skip 1, 2, skip 1 and 4. Then we're going to do inside the cap here. So come in back here, we're going to put 2 black stone brick blocks where the center middle hole is. We're going to change this bottom block to nether brick and light it on fire. Put a black stone brick block on either side and on the top middle, and a black stone brick stair facing outward on either side of the top. Then we'll close a trap door over the fire, put a lever here and here. Then an item frame here and here with compasses. Then we're going to turn around and put a stair here and here for seats. Then come back here and put 2 polished black stone walls on either side like this, 3 dark oak trapdoors on the middle here, and a polished deep slate wall here and here. Now we're going to work on the tender, so come on bottom behind where this slab is, skip 1 block back. And we'll go 3 wide in the middle with deep slate tile walls. Then a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle, then 3 walls. Another set of wheels and an axle, 3 walls. Another set of wheels and an axle, then 3 walls. Then go through and put a skeleton skull on all 6 of these wheels. Then, behind this, leave 4 empty blocks of space, and on the 5th block, 3 wide of walls, a set of wheels and an axle. 3 wide of walls, a set of wheels and an axle. 3 wide of walls, a set of wheels and an axle, and then 3 wide of walls. Then we're going to put a skeleton skull on all 6 of these wheels. Then we'll come up on the second layer where this slab is, and we're going to go 5 wide on the second layer with polished black stone wall, and put a dark oak fence gate on either side. Then behind that in the middle, we're going to do a line of netherite blocks down this top middle, in a line with this back wall. Then up here, 5 wide of polished black stone wall again, and a fence gate on either side. Then on the back middle, get a dark oak stair on the second layer like this for the coupler. And then under it, in the middle, put 2 dark oak fence gates down here. Then on the side of this netherite, we'll take polished blackstone slabs on this upper hitbox and do a full line of polished blackstone slabs coming across here. Then same thing on this side, a full line of polished blackstone slabs up here. Then we're going to switch to polished diorite slabs on the outer edge for the stripe and do a full line of slabs across the top here. And same thing on this side, a full line of polished diorite slabs across the top on this side as well. Then come on top of these polished blackstone walls and do 2 layers of black concrete across the front here, so it's aligned with those trapdoors. Then on these first diorite slabs on each side, a column of 4 black concrete. Then we're going to put 2 black concrete up here, 2 here, 2 chiseled polished blackstone in the middle. Then we'll come out here, and actually this needs to extend out 1 more block. I missed that corner. So we're going to add 2 black concrete down in this corner, then 2 fence gates here. Come over here, 2 fence gates on this side. Then we're going to put 2 polished blackstone walls on top here, 2 here. Then behind this, on this outer edge, we're going to fill it all in, 4 blocks tall with black concrete, and start bringing that down to the back of the tender. We'll bring it right to this back polished diorite slab. And then we'll come straight across the back, 4 blocks tall with black concrete. And then all the way back up this side, 4 blocks tall with black concrete. So it's all filled in here. Right up to the front here. Then put a polished diorite slab here and here on the front. Then come to the back, and we're going to put 2 polished diorite slabs on each of these back corners here. So 2 here and here. Then across here we'll do another line of black concrete in front of the slab and bring it up to this slab on the front. Same thing here, line of black concrete across here. Then on this second slab in on the back, put a black concrete here and here, 1 on the bottom middle, then 3 wide of black concrete up here in front of it, then a dark oak fence gate here. On the back, do a column of 4 dark oak fence gates here. On the top middle, a glow item frame with a frog light. And then next to that, we need 2 birch buttons up here. Then we'll come up here, and we're going to fill this whole middle gap up here, 3 wide with black concrete. I know it's really hard to see. And bring it up front. And we'll also get 3 between these 2 front slabs here. Then we're going to come on the side, start from the back on the middle block. And we need to come on the 4th block from the back. And we're going to put 4 stone buttons, skip 1, 2, skip 1, and 4. And that represents the tender lettering. Then we'll come on this side, and again on this 4th block end, 4 stone buttons here, skip 1, 2, skip 1, and 4. Then take polished black stone slab, come on top of the back right here, and go 3 wide in the middle with slabs, and start bringing that forward across the top of the tender. And we're going to bring it right up to here. So it looks like that. Then we have banners to make, so we're going to come into a loom here. So we're going to use a black banner and white dye. 1 with a vertical on this side, 1 with a vertical on this side. Make the bottom half of both of them black, then put a white horizontal stripe on the center of both of them. Then a new banner in white dye, vertical stripe on the right, another one, vertical stripe on the left, then 1 horizontal stripe on the top, and 1 with a horizontal stripe in the middle. And then we'll place these for our pin striping. So we're going to come under the cab, put this L shape here, 3 of the middle stripe ones here, then this vertical stripe here. Then we'll come to this side, and we're going to put this vertical stripe one here, this L shape here, 3 middle stripe ones right here. Then we're going to come on the tender with the top stripe one up here and do a full row of this stripe across the top right here. And we will repeat on this side. So a full row of this top stripe banner across here. And now all of our pin striping is completed here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our New York Central Commodore Vanderbilt Streamlined locomotive here. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.